Tuesday, August 12, 2025. Market summary. Headline highlights. CPI data. The U.S. Consumer Price Index for July rose 2.7% year-over-year and 0.2% month-over-month, slightly cooler than expected, which lifted market sentiments. Core CPI, which excludes volatile food and energy prices, increased 3.1% year-over-year, the highest level since February, driven by rising costs in services like shelter, healthcare, and airfare. Market reaction. All three major indexes surged to all-time closing highs. S&P 500, plus 1.1% to 6,445.76. Nasdaq Composite, plus 1.4% to 21,681.90. Dow Jones Industrial Average, plus 1.1% to 44,458.61. The Russell 2000 Small Cap Index jumped approximately 3%, leading weekly gains, followed by the Nasdaq, S&P 500, and Dow in that order. Year-to-date performance. Nasdaq leads with is almost equal to 12.3% gain. S&P 500 is almost equal to 9.6%. Dow is almost equal to 4.5%. Technical observations. Today marked the 7th consecutive trading session of higher highs and higher lows on the S&P 500 daily chart, reinforcing the bullish uptrend that's been in place since early April, despite persistent intraday volatility. The gap down earlier this month dented some upward momentum. Going forward, it's vital for the S&P 500 to remain above recent highs to maintain pressure on short sellers and sustain the rally. Outlook. With headline inflation cooling and core inflation rising, the Fed faces a balancing act. Markets are pricing in a strong likelihood, around 90% or more, for a rate cut in September. With the S&P 500 year-to-date gain at about 9.6%, it's on par or slightly above the long-term average, not an overstretched level. Remaining cautiously bullish appears to be the most prudent stance. Disclaimer. The above reflects my analysis and should not be considered a recommendation to buy or sell any securities.